It's like a dormitory.
There is no water heater in the dormitory. We can directly search for rental bathing artifacts. Just get a bucket of hot water, put the water pump in the hot water bucket. You can realize the freedom of bathing. No need to plug it in. No batteries are needed either. The pressure on the shower head is quite high. Just a bucket like this. Taking a bath in summer is completely enough. And a small fan. We can directly search for happiness. Small cooling fans are different from other fans. There is bony oil in the middle. Can be refrigerated. The wind blowing out. Cooler than ordinary fans. It's really hot. You can also apply ice to it. Instant cooling. Finally, there is this daily vacuum sealing machine. The suction power is very strong. Food that can't be finished at one time can be sealed and stored with it. The refrigerator won't put it yet.